Truck show 2026. We're in there, dude. Yeah.
Purple Chevy, bitch, my trunk big. 1973 Impala 60 super clean. Hey, stars up in it, this a new machine. Jump up out of a chain, swinging, bumping, Phuket lean. Hey, stay in my lane, this shit running my chest. I mind my business from these rappers, I don't bump a thing. Hey, chill gang for life, this shit my neck and rings. I bet not switch up on this shit, on rich living my dreams. Boogie baby back on it, I stamp it, this shit over with. Time to talk that hot shit, doing that now, this summer vulture next. Coming for whatever I want, watch this. Keeping my members on these niggas' neck. These niggas know I can check they chest. All they talking, but niggas ain't working.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. You know, last time y'all seen me, I was in the F-150. I had to upgrade. I can't tell you what happened to the F-150, but I had to upgrade. Right now, I getting detailed on before B-Trap. You know. Make sure y'all be at the show tomorrow. If you don't, that's just more wins for me.
I guess that's the intro. Y'all heard it from Troy. I mean, Eldrick.
Damn,
Troy's over there.
as fuck.
Yeah, we're doing a little show prep this Friday. Show's tomorrow. So we're doing. Huh? Yeah, I'm trying to get it running. I might fuck with it. So yeah, we're doing a little detailing. Troy's over here building his box, trying to.
I can't even hear none.
No, I can't. I should be able to block it. It's just dark, bro.
Just did this like 10 minutes ago.
Bro, speed running door boxes, bro.
This one might be wet. This one might be wet.
Oh yeah, he gone. Don't where we here. El's just gonna get a little car wash. Don't know if y'all can hear me, but I'm not. Damn. So my Tahoe's not gonna be done at all. I've had some issues with that. Not really, but I just ain't really done nothing. Also, parts ain't came in yet because I ain't bought them yet. But single cab might be there, but it's probably not gonna be in the show because I ain't got no wheels or nothing. So no point in putting it in the show and wasting my money. But it will be there. We got a bunch of other people pulling up later. I think RJ from what is RJ? Is RJ OC still? RJ from OC. Poppin' Clutches be here later. Yeah, he's like some club president. I can't remember what title it is, but y'all probably know White F-150. Y'all seen it before. So they all be here later tonight. And then, are y'all meeting up in the morning? Oh, okay. It ain't far. Yeah. First show in Augusta, so we all glad because we ain't got to drive but 10 minutes, literally.
I can actually be late this time.
Yeah. So, I guess I'm gonna. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna just shoot some montage of Eldrick's truck wash, and then any other content whenever it comes in. So.
Yeah, guys, we got more trucks about to pull up tonight. I don't know if y'all know K-Stats. I call him Red Ross. Everybody call him Rod Wave for some
They know
reason.
Keith. Yeah, they know Keith.
Anyway, got him, got Marlon. We got a lot more trucks coming. I'm just trying to see how this will look like.
Man, look good already.
I hope I win some shit. I'm tired of spending money on the goddamn truck.
I can't see shit. I'm in the club. I got my shit.
Hey. I don't think he knows what he's doing.
I'm not cutting.
What we doing, Marlon? What we doing? What we doing? What we doing?
Put my blocks in. Taking my blocks out, I mean.
Taking them out. A couple other trucks pull up.
Marlon's charger and I'm finna steal it. I stole his other board here.
Bourbon, you might, because that one blew up last time, didn't it?
Yeah, I did. I was over there, I plugged something in and it blew up.
I hope that shit.
Monty, you can pass me that top one socket.
What socket?
Pass me that bigger one than this.
Where?
Oh my god.
You could. What size is that?
Oh no, it's black.
The damn light making my camera look. Where the hell's the light? Making my camera look weird.
No, I don't. Hey, video.
Marlon, you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Sure.
Take the jack out.
Huh?
Take the jack out.
Why?
Because it's on the way.
Bruh.
All the way over here. Warm. A little bit more. Alright, we can lift it now.
Sketchy. Bro, going down, not lifting it.
Pull it forward a little bit. Alright.
Yeah.
Still ain't done yet.
Look what they're
Forward,
doing.
forward.
How do you think he knows what he's doing?
Look
Drop it a little
look
bit,
what
drop
he's
it.
doing.
What is he doing?
Alright, go forward.
Putting a block on the leaf screen.
Alright, go
Bruh.
Go up. Alright.
Oh!
Chill. Alright, slowly drop it.
I'm scared. I don't want to hurt.
It's not gonna go.
Bring your ass, bro. You on the fucking top.
It's not going all the way down because I still got the other one.
Get your head out from underneath it. What the fuck?
I'm just trying to see. I'm trying to see.
Great. Take it back on.
Slowly.
Hey.
This is my ex bitch. I can get them sent right to your doorstep. No matter the state, bro. I'm really connected. For a fatty, little niggas ain't fucking with me. Reach the top and I ain't.
We just supervising this dumbass shit.
Not me, shit. Just spectating, waiting for some dumb shit to happen. Prime example right there. It really gotta be like this, but when it gets watered, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be smart.
Huh?
That's smart.
No or no?
Yeah. What? No or no? Keith done pulled up.
Yeah, the jack is maxed out.
Bruh.
That's why I say. That's why I had to do it by leaf.
Oh, do your thing then.
What is Keith here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hell no!
There you go.
I had to go home. I had to put my do-rag on. I'm trying to stay around. I had to go home. I had to go put my do-rag on and tone and mingle on.
Do-rag on after that
That
haircut.
weak ass do-rag. Ain't laying nothing down. Ain't laying nothing down. What's up? Oh no!
Bro.
It's solid enough, so you should do it.
One side, right this
You
side.
just needed me.
There we go. It's solid, yeah.
Alright, that bitch go. Boom! Oh shit!
That's fiberglass. Shit harder than it was before.
You know the parking brake stops the rears from moving.
Chill, just in case.
How you gonna move the whole? How you gonna move the
lift it
whole?
up,
How you
lift
gonna
it
move the
up,
rear
lift it
end, bro?
Lift it up.
How you gonna move the rear end with the parking brake set?
Chill. Ray, lift it up a little bit.
Alright, so guys, next day, show day. We actually just pulled up to the show. Everybody's out here. Lined up, getting ready to go in the show. We're all getting ready to go into the show. Boy Keith Eldred right there. Drew, y'all seen him last night, I think. and then a couple other buddies up there. Troy's right there in front. So we're gonna get into the show. And start talking to everybody, get everything set up, because it's 10:30 and the show don't start till 12, I believe. It's like something like that. Whamming.
Oh, hello guys. Welcome back to the channel.
The fit on.
Hey, that's that Florida shit right here. Go, Dad.
What's up, my boy?
Yeah.
How you doing,
Go,
buddy?
Dad.
I got the spindles in the truck, you want them?
What's up, bro?
Yeah. I just ain't got the keys.
In the bed?
Yeah.
Today's the truck show.
Yeah. Keith, y'all know Keith?
Dude, we got done at 4 in the morning.
Yeah, fuck that.
Dude, we fucking...
Finally got the blocks done.
What?
Got it done. What time did you get it done?
Hey, he said 10 minutes, 2 hours later.
Chill. It's done now.
What's up, Pop? Hey, well, I got a part for general mission. Alright. I didn't know.
Because you're going to have to go on that lot over there. Okay.
Yeah. It's Troy. Gabe. This ball over here got 2 set of wheels. Boy Zemo. Got Gracer right there, 10 to 12 bulletproof on a, I think it's a 18 Ram, which is huge. Boy, Dylan's back there. Show that truck in a minute.
Congratulations, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
How you been?
Good. Yeah, bro. Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Got the world in the hands. Just make it turn.
Marshall Evans?
I got the
What?
Marshall Evans?
What? I can't hear you, dude.
You got a loud ass wall.
Bro, my brother's louder.
Is he?
Yeah,
They have
bro.
my behind
He's
you?
something loud, too.
like going out my way and I'm a turn. Go the other way. Ain't even
That boy put so much work in this truck.
just finesse if you want to put it in.
What's up, bro? You been good? That boy been putting in work.
Hey, man. Hey, if you were sexy, the camera would be on you, not on your face.
Boy, Mike. Jake, both Jake's trucks, Poppins.
Look at that ram, bro.
Dude, I know, on bags, bro.
Damn, bro. How many almost 50?
No, we're getting kicked out at the show.
New decal, shit.
So maybe show your girlfriend. So y'all seen this truck before, Gabe? He's got his white truck outside. Little booth, little custom booth. But y'all seen this truck. Y'all seen the white truck in Brunswick, and I think a couple other shows. Yeah, this thing, oh, it looks so damn good. Y'all need to check out his YouTube channel. Today he's been posting about every Monday and stuff. It's Micah's. Don't know who this is, but that thing is huge. But yeah, Gabe, he's the one that built this truck right here. They got a video on that. I think it's coming out or it's already out. I don't know if they have a build on that one or not, a video. Damn school bus right here. What a toolbox. Get a different leaning.
I got hit him.
Never took my airbags out.
Are you an outlaw? No, hell no. Fuck, I look like. I am. I'm in nothing. My own shit. That's what I am. Little ass reward. The best of show though. Where went the show nobody went to? Best go out. Oh, the Tiffin show is different. Look at all the awards for the Tiffin show though. I forgot my Brunswick award. I swear I brought it. That thing's so clean. Oh my god.
Hey, somebody want to talk to you, join in that white spindles and wides.
Look at him.
Damn, how many fucking diesels?
With Jack, brother.
Damn, Jeff.
Jack came by himself. He brought his girlfriend.
I know.
Oh, you know that one's
There's Luke right there. Yeah, see, y'all know Luke. Y'all seen this truck a couple times. We gonna find him. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? That boy was over here cleaning.
Oh, wheels have to polish by the year.
Hey, you got a detail man outside. Yeah, you can. Can't afford it.
I spent all the money on the truck.
Oh.
This shit look good.
That's good.
Get a ball.
Get
a ball.
Yeah.
Is
Got a Milwaukee battery.
little battery for down here?
It's hot at. It's hot at 5.
Huh? Yeah, and they made the bigger ones.
I'm so mad my tram. Got my lady here for the radio.
Yeah. What you gotta say? What you gotta say?
I told you, bro. Look, I told you all.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Five-8 drill bit. I broke it off in the spindle, got it out, and still use that bitch again.
Oh. Damn, brother.
It's on the biggest.
Ain't okay, bro. It's spicy.
Run, Forrest, run.
That truck insane, dude. This truck is huge, dude. And they spin. I got Troy over there running my live, TikTok live real quick. Bro's over here playing Yellow Wolf. What the hell? Is that you?
Yeah.
Bro's over here playing Yellow Wolf.
Joking.
I
Jackass.
thought it was you, bro. It would be you.
Shut up. You missed it. I cranked around body.
Bruh. Bring it again. It might blow up. Y'all know Will.
Bro, y'all don't know me.
Y'all know Will.
Y'all don't know me.
He sold all the wheels, everything.
I'm gonna disrupt this music. Watch Fuck Drew Proctor's cam. I like how it doesn't keep the same rough stuff the whole time.
Come in, Bryson.
Wait, that's crazy. I got powder. I got chrome lowers though. You don't got powder.
They're already powdered. I haven't got them
And
yet.
I got hindroots.
I got them too. I haven't picked them up.
I got hindroots.
I have all that. I haven't picked it up yet. I gotta drive 2 hours to go get it.
Little man, big dog.
Keep talking about something. Who you feeling like?
From now on, you can't say we dog that shit. You can't say we dog that shit. Look what I'm like. He did that shit for 10 minutes straight. That bitch gonna blow. You gotta see me forward. Go on. Bro, I'm telling you.
Got a question for Maltese right here now. So
I'm telling you. If I don't get top 30.
he drove it here and broke the rack.
Yeah, let's go look at this truck.
It's folded up.
This truck.
Bro, at this point, I'm not getting top 30 because why the fuck these random ass North Carolina people want to pop up, bro? Like, if I don't get top 30, I'm leaving OC, but don't tell Troy.
Look at that buggy, the fender. Of course you got in there. Of course you got in there. I am.
Broke the rack. Don't get the rack.
Big.
What the fuck? You can take the headlights apart. Whoa, hold on, y'all. That's what you can take. Hey, your pit match.
You see Braden's stuff?
Yeah, my pit match
Braden's
with her. Yeah, I got it on live.
Look, this is general admission parking. We got trucks out here. Like, general admission parking. We got a damn truck show out here too. Brady, truck. Truck cleaning out here. This is outdoor. Yeah, VIP outdoor. That's what this is. About it. That's the only thing, but still. Bryson truck. Oh shit. Hey, where my phone at? Yeah. Woo. Need a paint job. Paint job. They still look good though. I mean, sitting. Oh damn! What the hell am I doing?
Squatter trucks and a truck show in Augusta. We have the Bubba truck with all the different 5 wheels. Bruh.
You got like 5 different wheels.
It raining.
You need to crush that just for the fun of it.
Typical.
Just snatch that bit.
You got a button? Look at you done started.
Hey, bro, mine's built though. Theirs ain't.
What? Right there. I'm just filming. My truck is. Yo! Oh my gosh, stop. Hold the trigger. Hey, TCK! TCK! Golly!
Oh yeah, we bet. Hey. Oh my gosh. Hey, Troy rates mine.
Yo! Yo!
Truck show 2026. We're in there, dude.
I thought you were getting a haircut.
Huh?
I thought you were getting a haircut.
Fuck you, buddy. Fuck you.
Took you a long time.
Man, bro, them,
What's the
that
problem?
point
So 6.0 didn't get on. But his Grand National is about to get on. I'm pretty sure it's a GNX. It's got the V6 turbo. Don't know what's done to it, but big old turbo.
These were 1,400 of these. Those are 30s though. That's less tires. It's just now.
Troy.
You want to see his overspray? Come on.
Troy. Troy.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Forgot what I was going to ask you.
Alright, so I'm actually getting out of the show, heading out. I got a wedding to go to, so I'm cutting a little bit short. I think they're going to do awards later on. I might get somebody to record those, maybe not. I don't know. I have to figure that out. But hope y'all like the video. Subscribe, comment, and I'm trying to get to the next couple shows. I think we got Daytona in July 16th. It's in a couple of weeks. And I think we have one more. I can't remember exactly where it's at, but hopefully I can get to those soon. I mean, I can get to those. Hopefully I can get my truck there soon. Should have a truck video coming out here soon, so stay tuned with that. But catch y'all in the next video.
Cracker got an AR, like he shooting schools up. Yellow wire body, Hellcat look like a school.